In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Pinterest desktop. Start by opening Pinterest on your desktop and make sure you're signed in. From the left side of your screen, look for the plus icon. This is your creation hub. Click it to open the creation menu and choose pin. We'll use a standard pin for this walkthrough because it's quick, flexible, and perfect for linking people straight to your digital products checkout or landing page. You'll land on the pin creation tool. Upload your creative by clicking to select a file or simply dragging and dropping it in. Use a clear product image, a mock-up, or a short video that shows the outcome your customer can expect. Aim for a vertical format so it looks great in the feed, and keep any on-image text big and readable. Add a strong title next. Make it clear, benefit-focused, and searchable. Include the product type and the result it delivers, like minimalist budget planner template for busy freelancers. The goal is to help Pinterest understand your content and help shoppers instantly know what they're getting. Now write your description, briefly explain what the product is, who it's for, and what's included. Add a simple call to action like download instantly or start today. Use natural keywords your audience would type, but keep it human and helpful. Add your destination link and choose a board. The link should go straight to your product's sales page or checkout, not a generic homepage. Double check it loads correctly. Then save your pin to a board that clearly matches the product, with a descriptive board name so it reinforces your topic. You can tag relevant topics to help Pinterest route your pin to the right audience. Pick accurate themes that match your product's niche. If you have products set up through a store or catalog, use product tagging to connect this pin with the exact item. This can surface pricing and availability, which builds trust and helps conversion. If any part of your image or description was created or modified with AI, mark it as AI modified. This is about transparency and keeps your content aligned with platform policies. Click More Options to fine-tune details. Here you can add alt text for accessibility, adjust settings, and if available, schedule your pin to publish at a time your audience is most active. Give everything a final review for typos, broken links, and brand consistency. When you're happy with it, click Publish. Your pin is now live and ready to drive viewers to your digital product. Keep an eye on performance and iterate on your creative titles and descriptions to improve results over time.